Hello students, welcome to my channel School Online 24/7, and today I am going to explain second chapter from your supplementary book A Pact with Sun, and this chapter is for class 6 and the chapter name is The Friendly Mongoose. Okay, first of all I am going to discuss the title of the chapter, The Friendly Mongoose. What is the meaning of friendly? Friendly means a person, an animal, anything else who acts just like a friend, companion with us. And mongoose, it is a small carnivorous mammal with a long body and tail and grizzled or banded coat. And we can find it in Africa and Asia mostly. Okay, let us start the chapter. Take first paragraph. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife one day. When our son grows up and he will need a companion, this pet will be our son's companion. His wife liked the idea. Once upon a time, in a village, a farmer lived with his wife, and they both had a small kid, means a baby boy. They both loved his child very much. They both loved their child very much, and once upon a time, means in a one day, farmer had an idea and he said to his wife that we must have a pet, and this pet will be the companion of our son when our son grown up grows up means when a child physically or mentally matured or to progress from childhood toward adulthood. And the farmer said to his wife that this pet will be the friend, companion means friend, of our son, and this pet will be soon our friends, means friend of our son. And this idea was liked by the wife of farmer, and they both were very happy. One evening the farmer brought with him a tiny mongoose. It is a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He will be friend to our son. One day, farmer brought a small mongoose, means a baby mongoose, with him, and it was too young. The wife of the farmer said to the farmer, but it will be fully grown very soon, and he will be friend of our son. Both the baby and the mongoose grew up in 5 or 6 months. The mongoose had grown its full size, a lovely animal with two shiny black eyes and a bushy tail. The farmer's was still son was still a baby in a cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. And in this paragraph, the author said about the progress of the mongoose and the farmer's son. Both means baby and the mongoose, both grew in a similar pattern. But very soon, means near about 5 or 6 months, the mongoose had grown up and it took its full size. It had a lovely tail and it had shining black eyes and a bushy tail. Bushy tail means growing thicky. And the farmer's son was still a baby and he was playing in his cradle. Cradle means a baby bed or cot. And he was sleeping and crying alternately. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. She fed his baby and rocked him to the sleep in his little cradle. Picking up the basket, she said to her husband, I am off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the bazaar, to the market, because she wanted to buy something. So, she fed the baby and put him in his little cradle. And after this, she picked up basket for marketing. And she said to her husband that I am going to bazaar now. So please take an eyes on baby. And the baby is sleeping in his cradle. So careful about him. Because she did not leave alone her baby to the mongoose because she had not trust on the mongoose. You did not be afraid, said the farmer. The mongoose is friendly animal and it is as sweet as our baby. And they are the best friend of friends you know. And in this suggestion, reply the farmer, what he replied? He said to his wife that don't be afraid about it because the friendly mongoose nature is very good. And the mongoose nature is just like his friend, means friend of his son. It is as sweet, means mongoose is just like our baby and it is very sweet. And they both are best friend now. And he mocked to his wife. And after this, the wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, decided to go out and take a look at his field not far away. He ran into some friends on the way back and did not return for quite some time. And in the scene, and after the scene, the farmer's wife went to the market and farmer was alone in the house and he had not any work in the house, so he decided that he go to the field to take a look on his field, but he did not go very far. He very soon will be come into the house, so he took the decision and went away from the house. But in the way, he met his some friend and he forgot about to return the home. So he did not return for a long time to his home. The farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. She saw the mongoose sitting outside as if waiting for her. On seeing her, he ran welcome her as was customary. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed blood. She cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. And after some time, the farmer's wife, when she was finishing her marketing and her shopping, and after this, when she finished it, she came back to home and she had a basket full of groceries. Groceries means items of food sold in a grocery or supermarket. And these in this thing, the basket of the farmer's wife was full. And suddenly she catch her eyes catch a scene that mongoose was sitting outside of the door and he was waiting for her. On seeing her return, when mongoose saw her mistress was came, he ran to her welcome. And it was customary. Customary means habitual, means mongoose was habitual for this action. And the farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose, and after this, when she looked at the mongoose was smeared. Smeared means soaked with blood. And she screamed. Screamed means cried. She cried loudly. Blood. Oh my God. How it is possible? She cried it. And the face and the paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood. When she had a look to the mongoose, that mongoose was smeared, means soaked with blood, she thought the animal killed his baby. And she cried, "You wicked animal, you have killed my baby." She screamed hysterically. She was blind with rags, and with all her strength, she brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on it. When, on seeing this situation, this incident, the wife of farmer cried loudly, and she said to mongoose, "You wicked animal." Wicked animals means evil or morally wrong. You are evil and you have killed my baby. And she cried loudly. Hysterically means with wildly uncontrolled emotions, means she became mad in her rage. Rage means anger, and she was blind with her anger, and with all her strength means force, with all her force, she brought down the heavy basket, and the basket was full of groceries items on the blood smeared mongoose. And she ran inside to the cardle, and after this, when she brought down the basket on the mongoose, she ran inside to the house to have a look for the baby. When she entered in the room, the baby was fast asleep, but on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeding. In a flash, she realized what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. And after this, when she reached at the baby, near about the baby, she looked at that baby was sleeping soundly in his cradle. But on the floor, a snake was present in cut condition, in torn condition, and it was bleeding. And after this, when she looked the snake, she went flashback and she realized what had happened when she was absent in the house. And when she realized her mistake, she ran out and she wanted to look for the mongoose because she brought down the heavy basket on the mongoose, and after this incident mongoose was no more. Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done? She cried, touching the mongoose who lay dead and still unaware of her sobbing. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, started long at the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. And when she realized her mistake, she went out to look for the mongoose. And she said to dead mongoose, "Oh, you saved the life of my child, but what I have done? I killed you. You killed the snake, but I took the life of you." And she cried. When she was crying, she was touching mongoose and sobbing very badly. But the mongoose was dead and it was unaware. Unaware means having no knowledge of the situation or fact, because mongoose was dead at that time, and he did not feel her sobbing also, because he was no more. And the farmer's wife, who had acted very hastily means quick tempered, and rashly means anger, with a anger, and she was staring at the mongoose, at the dead mongoose, for a long time. And after this, when she heard the crying of her baby, she wiping her tears. Wiping means rubbing or cleaning. She rubbed her tears, she cleaned her tears, and she went to feed her baby. So after this story, at the end this story, we have a moral that who had acted hastily and rashly, it will be wrong for us. Means don't do any act with hastily and rashly. Means hastily means in hurry or quick tempered, or rashly means with anger. So this is the story of friendly mongoose, and I hope you all understood the chapter very well. If you all understand this chapter and the explanation of this chapter, then like the video and share it also with your friends, and subscribe the channel and press bell notification for other videos. And thanks for watching this.